So this garbage disposal, I just took it out. It just makes the hissing sound, but it doesn't really work. So I took it out. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this. It's very easy to open. These are 4 screws, 1, 2 and 2 other side. So I'm gonna open one at a time, just like that. It's very easy, very easy. So all screws are out now, and I can just lift it up just like that, so I can see in here. Well, okay, I believe if you guys can see this small maybe piece of little bones right here, and I think this side. So I think these got stuck, and that's holding this. So it's supposed to move, but it's not moving. So next thing what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flush this so I can have a clear picture. So give me a moment. I'm gonna do this way. I'm gonna put it over here, flush it. Alright, let's do this. Okay, and then from here, still see these two are not coming out. So, well, these are not coming out. It gets been clean, but these are not coming. So I'm gonna use maybe a screwdriver to get this thing out. So this thing came out. This was right in here. So I took it out with the screwdriver. I'm not sure what it is. It's really hard piece of bone or stone, or I don't know what it is. But see, now if I use this, this is moving. This is moving. So earlier it wasn't moving, and that is because of this small piece. So I'm gonna throw away, and I'm gonna put everything back, and that should work. So now I'm screwing it back, putting this top piece back on. As I said, it's very easy, just with this one hand and one screwdriver. This can be done right here, and almost done. Alright, so this is all put together and now ready to reinstall. So I'm gonna reinstall, and I'll see if it has fixed the problem. I hope it has, but we'll see in a bit. One thing I forgot to mention here is some of those disposal, they come with a slight hole in here, so you can use that, but in this case this doesn't have. So we're gonna use that's why I took it out, and basically I cleaned up. So hopefully this will work. I'll put together and I'll see you in a bit.
So now we're gonna put this back on. So now we're going to connect the drain pipe with the garbage disposal. And then you just connect your drainage pipe to your garbage disposal. And now for a final step, we just need to plug it back in. Turn your switch on.